So check out this video, man. I want y'all to see what's to come. This cashless society stuff is on you. It's on you, man. Check it out.
A new dystopian store where you're going to be tracked and apt to buy anything. I'm going to buy some strawberries and I'm offering exactly the right amount of money here on the help desk. So you people take that money, £1.90, and I will take my strawberries outside. If you want to call the police,
you can't take that. The police is on their way. You can't take that. Police is on their way. You can't take that.
I paid by legal tender.
No. Don't break the door. Do not break the door. No, don't touch.
I paid by legal tender and I am going out with my strawberries. And I'm going to eat them. I'm going to eat my strawberries. I paid by legal tender in this dystopian place.
Yeah, we have no duty to take that.
Okay.
Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Because you should be able to, spend your eye. Go on here, go on. You should be able to spend wherever you want. This is an absolute joke.
You want one, mate?
Thank you.
Told you. It's on you, man. It's on you. That stuff coming to a store near you. It's too late to rebel. A lot of this stuff is just too late to rebel because the time to stand up and hoot and holler and shit, that shit is long gone, man. You have acquiesced all your damn rights, all your power. You gotta get it back. How? How? Are you willing to stand together? Literally stand together. Unify. You gotta unify, man. We talking about across all types of borders, all types of lands, all types of ideas and views and shit. Like, yes, Democrats and Republicans, you gotta walk hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder. You gotta do this work together. Christian, Muslims, Baptists, everybody, the Jews, like everybody. Every regular, smegular, heart pumping, living, breathing soul, you gotta do this stuff together, man. Like, this shit is either right or wrong. That's it. That's it. This final war will be waged. It's over right and wrong, good and evil. That's it. Fuck your idea. If anybody's putting a banner in your face and telling you, oh, believe this and believe that, no. You gotta ask yourself, is it right or is it wrong? Are you for these damn lights right here? LED light shit, blue light shit. How many times you seen, you don't see the bugs you used to see these days, man. You don't see fireflies and shit no more, man. These lights. Y'all really think insects and shit ain't important? It's a vital food source for all this other shit that you depend on to eat. You need pollinators, man. You need beneficial insects and shit. You need all of this stuff, all this Roundup and all this other shit that you allow these people to spray to kill the goddamn bugs. You killed your food source. Now you have no choice but to depend on these people to give you this frankenfood for fucking basic sustenance and shit. It's just gonna slowly fucking kill you. Is this or that? Nothing. You're not used to fasting. You're not used to going without by choice. Now you have no choice but to fucking do it. Why? Because you ain't about to starve like against your will now, are you? See? On time like no time. Fucking bullshit. Pretty soon it's gonna be fucking like all kinds of goddamn electronics and shit in here. They gonna put cameras, microphones, goddamn, what else? Tag readers, all this other stuff. Facial recognition and all this stuff is gonna be in your street poles and shit. All up in your neighborhood. All this stuff is gonna be hooked up to the goddamn fiber optics they putting under the goddamn ground. Why? Because they want to better monitor your ass and better control you motherfuckers. That's the whole idea. That's the whole fucking idea. I don't put myself in this shit because, like, I'm willing to die before I allow myself and my family to be subjected to this shit. So if you are willing to stand up and against these motherfuckers, follow me, shorty.